Hello everyone. Question is a company wants to migrate its existing on-premises Oracle database to Amazon Aurora post-GRE SQL. The migration must be completed with minimal downtime using AWS DMS. A database specialist must validate that the data was migrated accurately from the source to the target before the cutover. The migration must have minimal impact on the performance of the source database. Which approach will most effectively meet these requirements? Option A. Use the AWS Schema Conversion Tool AWS SCT to convert source Oracle database schemas to the target Aurora DB cluster. Verify the data type of the columns. Option B. Use the table metrics to the AWS DMS task created for migrating the data to verify the statistics for the tables being migrated and to verify that the data definition language DDL statements are completed. Option C. Enable the AWS Schema Conversion Tool AWS SCT pre-migration validation and review the pre-migration checklist to make sure there are no issues with the conversion. Option D. Enable AWS DMS data validation on the task so the AWS DMS task compares the source and target records and reports any mismatches. Correct answer is option D. Question is an e-commerce company uses Amazon DynamoDB as the backend for its payment systems. A new regulation requires the company to log all data access requests for financial audits. For this purpose, the company plans to use AWS logging and save logs to Amazon S3. How can a database specialist activate logging on the database? Option A. Use AWS CloudTrail to monitor DynamoDB control plane operations. Create a DynamoDB stream to monitor data plane operations. Pass the stream to Amazon Kinesis data streams. Use that data as a source for Amazon Kinesis data firehose to store the data in an Amazon S3 bucket. Option B. Use AWS CloudTrail to monitor DynamoDB data plane operations. Create a DynamoDB stream to monitor control plane operations. Pass the stream to Amazon Kinesis data streams. Use that stream as a source for Amazon Kinesis data firehose to store the data in an Amazon S3 bucket. Option C. Create two trails in AWS CloudTrail. Use Trail 1 to monitor DynamoDB control plane operations. Use Trail 2 to monitor DynamoDB data plane operations. Option D. Use AWS CloudTrail to monitor DynamoDB data plane and control plane operations. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company has migrated a single MySQL database to Amazon Aurora. The production data is hosted in a DB cluster in VPC_prod and 12 testing environments are hosted in VPC_test using the same AWS account. Testing results in minimal changes to the test data. The development team wants each environment refreshed nightly so each test database contains fresh production data every day. Which migration approach will be the fastest and most cost effective to implement? Option A. Run the master in Amazon Aurora MySQL Create 12 clones in VPC_test and script the clones to be deleted and recreated nightly. Option B. Run the master in Amazon Aurora MySQL. Take a nightly snapshot and restore it into 12 databases in VPC_test using Aurora Serverless. Option C. Run the master in Amazon Aurora MySQL. Create 12 Aurora replicas in VPC_test and script the replicas to the deleted and recreated nightly. Option D. Run the master in Amazon Aurora MySQL using Aurora Serverless. Create 12 clones in VPC_test and script the clones to be deleted and recreated nightly. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.